Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Rehan and today we will start our journey into web development. In web development, we usually start with HTML and then CSS and JavaScript. So today we will start with HTML. This series may go up to like 20 videos or maybe more. So today I will tell you what HTML basically is. So first of all, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So before going to that, I wanna tell you what a markup language is. Uh, a markup language is a language that tells the browser how to represent the text. So, for example, if you have a web page and you wanna add a heading to it, a heading in your website, or you might want to add some bold text, some italic text. You want to change the font size, the font type of the text. So like any kind of text manipulation comes into this. So and hypertext, I think, usually means that it also can be used for linking other websites. So HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. I think 99.9% of the websites are using HTML. So it's like the standard of all websites. Like if you want to go into a web development, you have to learn HTML. HTML, CSS and JavaScript is totally necessary. Then we have HTML describes the structure of a web page. So uh, when when we create a web page, for example, uh, Big Bang Theory. So we first have a heading of Big Bang, then we have a paragraph that have the definition as something of Big Bang Theory, and then we have maybe an image. So this is a structure we have, like image, heading, a paragraph, an image. So HTML describes uh, in which order should these come. Like always, you will start with a heading, obviously, then a small paragraph explaining what you are trying to convey to the user. Okay, HTML consists of a series of elements. This me like I was saying, heading, paragraph, and image. Like this is a series of elements. Heading is an element, paragraph is another element, image is an element. So this is a whole series. Like if you go to any web page, for example like YouTube, you have first the search bar, then some videos, and if you scroll down you have more videos. So this is a series of elements. HTML element tells the browser how to display the content. Okay, for example we have an uh, h1 element and we write hello world in it. It tells the browser that hey, make this text, the hello world, a heading. So so we can see it as a heading on a web page. Okay, the next is HTML element labels pieces of content such as this is heading, this is paragraph, and this is a link. So we can use HTML to link to other pages too. Like if you want there to be a link on your page to your Insta or maybe YouTube, you can also do that. Okay, next. Okay, here we have a like extremely simplified version of a HTML document. So before going into it, you see this tag here, doc type HTML. This tag basically tells the browser that the text below is in HTML, specifically HTML5. Okay, first we have the parent HTML tag. This is the topmost HTML tag, and it contains the two most important tags, which is the head and body tag. Whatever is in the head tag you usually don't see on the screen. uh, uh, Usually you have a meta description and maybe links to some other files and stuff like that. And in the body we have the typically what we see in a web page, like you see the h1 heading, then paragraph, and then this is another paragraph. Okay. The title tag in the head page, so see the title tag in the head page, this the page title will display when you will like bookmark this page. Like you can see this in your bookmarks, or you can see in the top area of a web page. I will show you this later. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, this is a visual representation of that document. See, this is the head tag page. Let us see. We have also this here. Okay, that so the topmost is HTML. Then we have two, head and body. The body contains three more child elements, which is h1, p, and p, and head contains the page title. Okay, what is an HTML basically? Wait, what is an HTML element? An HTML element is defined by a start tag, some content, and then an end tag. So let's say we have an h1 tag. See, we have an start tag, then we have an end tag, and then we have the content in between it. Just like here, some tag name and content in between, and some end tag. So as I said, we will make an HTML page now. Okay, you can make an HTML page with VS Code. So first of all, we will download VS Code. You can just go to this website VS Code and type VS Code here, code.vscode.com, and download their shell. If you're on Windows, you can download from Windows. I'm not gonna download VS Code because I already have it. You can create a folder and name it HTML course, for example, and you can open this in VS Code. You can also go here and open folder and just open it from here too. Yes, I trust the author. Okay, we will make an HTML page here. So it is a tradition to name the first page as index.html. You can also type htm, it works the same, but I would recommend html. Okay, we will start by writing that this is a HTML document. Okay, then we will write HTML and see this auto completed this. So I have written down all of the file here. Now you can just Control S and save this file. Now to open this file in the browser, you can just go ahead and double click on the file, and it will open it in your browser. See, we have the rendered page here, and if you do Control U, you can see the actual code here that we wrote. This is the rendered version and this is the actual code. That is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.